First of all, we have to discuss about the low symmetry point groups, and that is indicated by or denoted by LSP. There are three symmetry point groups: CS, CI, and C1. So in case of C1, there is no symmetry element, other than E. So this is C1. In case of CS and CI, there is identity and sigma plane of symmetry in CS point group. When we talk about CI, then the elements, symmetry elements which are present, they are identity and inversion center. And the order of this group is 2. In both the cases, CS and CI, the order of a group is 2. But in case of C1, the order of group is 1. Means the value of H is equal to 1 in C1. So these are the few examples in front of you. First one is difluoroammonia. And there is only one mirror plane of symmetry. When we put an imaginary plane along NH, then we will get the mirror images of these two fluorine atoms. Means they will interchange their position. And it has only identity and sigma plane of symmetry. It means its point group is CS. So there is only identity and plane of symmetry, and the order of this group is, or this molecule is 2. Next is the example of CI point group, and the molecule is 1,2-dichloro 1,2-difluoroethane. So these are chlorine atoms and these are fluorine atoms. When we, or in case of CI point group, there is identity and inversion center. So firstly we have to check the inversion center in this molecule. So when we go from above side, from the above chlorine atom to below side, we will get the same chlorine atom at the same distance. Similarly, in case of this fluorine atom, at the same distance we will get fluorine atoms. Next is hydrogen atom. At the same distance on the both side we will get the same atoms. Then there is a presence of inversion. And there is identity element which is present in all the molecules. There is no other symmetry element present in 1,2-dichloro 1,2-difluoroethane. And when we check the symmetry element, identity and inversion in this molecule, the point group is CI. So first is CS, second is CI, and the next one is bromochlorofluoromethane, and it indicate the point group C1. So C1, it means there is only one symmetry element, that is identity. There is no C2 axis, there is no sigma plane of symmetry, there is no improper axis of rotation. Then it's the molecule bromochlorofluoromethane exhibit C1 point group. Next is 1-bromo 2-chloroethane that contain CS. It means it will possess identity as well as this horizontal plane of symmetry. It means there are two symmetry element which belongs to CS point group. So these are the 4 molecules which possess C1, CS and Ci lower symmetry point groups. Lower symmetry point groups. So